Hey everyone, we're here at Oglethorpe University.
In honor of midterms week,
We're going to be asking some Pete Joseph questions. What would you rate your study spot 1 through 5 right now?
1 through 5, I'd say a solid 4. It's really comfortable in the seat.
What would you guys rate Cousins as like a study spot 1 through 5?
Like a 7.5.
Out of 5?
4.
A good 5.
I'll give it like a 5. I really like it.
So if you were to rate the study spot from 1 to 5, what would you say?
4.5.
What would you say that your favorite study snack is?
Definitely animal crackers, honestly.
Probably Airhead Extremes. Peach rings, pretzels.
Probably a Celsius.
Chili cheese Fritos.
I'd say Cool Ranch Doritos.
Payday bar.
What class are you studying for right now?
Cost and managerial accounting.
Ooh, a fun one.
Beginning characterization.
Yes, me too.
Always chemistry.
Chemistry.
Museum studies.
Physics 201.